Hello viewers, welcome to my tutorial on how to create a list of prime numbers. In this video, you shall learn how to write a Python code that will test all elements of an integer list, extract all prime numbers, and return them as a list. First of all, I need a function that will test if a single integer is a prime number. I had programmed this function in my prime number validation tutorial. If you need to learn how it is programmed, please go and watch the video. By the way, I will quickly type in this code. Here is the code to test if a single number is prime. Now that its prime function is ready, let's write a function that will accept a list of integers and return an extracted list of prime integers. Define a function with the identifier prime list and a parameter number list. The parameter is a placeholder for a list of integers. Now we are going to create an empty list with the identifier primes, and this list shall be used to store prime integers extracted from the number list. Look through all the elements of the number list and call its prime function on each element. Testing whether each element is prime, we are going to append any element that passes this test, this prime test, to the primes list using append. And finally, we shall return the primes. Now let's call our function and pass in a list. Prime list with a list 2, 5, 9, 11, 37, and 15. Bravo! We have been able to achieve a good result. Congratulations! Our new list 2, 5, 11, 37 contains only prime numbers. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe and click the notification bell for more helpful videos like this one.